How to redeem TJ Maxx credit card points. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your TJX credit card reward points. So the first thing you can do is earn points and get certificates by just going ahead and logging into your account. Search for TJ Maxx credit card and then click on the first link that you see. Once you're here, you can earn 5 points per $1 you can spend on TJX family stores, and 1 points per $1 elsewhere if you use the Platinum MasterCard. And every 1,000 points automatically converts into a $10 reward certificate. This certificate appears on your monthly credit card statement or in your online or mobile account. Now, you could also register and link your card. To redeem digitally, you must register to the TJX Reward Credit Cards on this website right here. You could just go ahead and click on Apply Now. And then after logging in, you could just go ahead and choose to link your card. So just apply for a new card and then link it. Then you can sign in again using your card on the TJX Reward Credit Card. And after you log in, you could just go ahead and redeem those points. So these are some of the ways that you can redeem your TJX Rewards credit card points. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.